本節目由 SF Happy Free 和 Peninsula Healthcare District 贊助播出。歡迎翻嚟名人會客廳，嚟到節目嘅尾聲啦。咁 Dr. So 啦，就呢十幾年嚟啦，即係亞裔咧罹患呢個肝癌嘅病發率咧就降咗40%嘅，其實一個好消息嚟嘅。就點解咧？
我哋即係諗係因為好多越嚟越多咧有乙肝嗰啲病人咧，就呢10幾年來咧已經開始食嗰啲好有效嘅抗病毒嘅藥物。咁變咗咧，佢哋唔會變成有肝硬化、有肝癌啊嘛。所以呢個係即係你睇其他種族咧，嗰啲肝癌病發率咧冇低過嘅。即係如果你講白人啊，同埋拉丁裔啊，嗰啲肝癌病發率咧，呢10幾年來一路繼續升。
仲係上升嘅，反而亞裔就跌咗嚇，因為可能好多人即係知道其實如果食呢個藥物，即係你頭先講嘅，一日食1粒就終身食嘅，咁就可以控制到啦。係啊，
好而家啲藥物好平嘅，好多時如果你有 Medi-Cal 咧。你唔使俾錢啫，即係唔使俾 copay。你喺中國大陸咧，一年嘅呢啲即係藥物嘅費用係少過20蚊美金。
哦，哇！真係好平，係真係好少啊！
以前呢啲藥喺美國賣咧，嗰啲 brand drug 咧係12000蚊一年。
所以都冇人食。所以依家變咗 generic 就即係大家都可以負擔得起，所以咧就真係預防勝於治療。所以如果發現自己係帶菌咧，就記得咧就即係其實每日成日食1粒同埋冇副作用，就一路食落去咧就可以防止病變咗肝硬化或者肝癌嘅。咁 so we will switch to Richard. So I know you have some concern about social media, as we know social media provide too much information.
Yeah, so many people are getting all their news from social media, and it's convenient, but you have to look at whether the source is trusted. So on our end, we know people are getting their news from Facebook and WeChat and things like that, but it's really important to know the source, and so we really drive people to use the CDC, to use the Asian Liver Center site or our site, WHO, for the correct information, so you don't believe in things that are incorrect, that hurt people, or the stigma, or cures. There is currently no cure for hepatitis B. They're working on it in the labs, but so far not. So really figure out what the reliable source of your information is.
Very good. 咁頭先咧Richard 咧就提到一樣好緊要嘅，就依家咧相信大家電視機旁邊民眾咧就好多會中意用啲社交媒體啦，好似微信啊、呢個臉書啊等等。咁其實咧就好多時咧你收到嘅信息咧就可能未必係真嘅，所以咧就即係佢哋最大嘅分別咧就係 SF Happy Free 同埋呢個 Stanford 呢個 Asian Liver Center 咧，佢哋所提供嘅信息咧全部係可信嘅。咁佢哋嘅網址咧就已經喺我哋嘅熒光幕上高㗎啦。So could you please tell us, you also have a hotline, right? So what is the number?
Yes, it is 415-336-2629. Yes, sorry, trying to remember it off the top of my head.
Yeah, it's also on our screen.
Yes, and they speak Cantonese, English, and Mandarin, and you can leave a message, and they will respond back to you if nobody picks up directly.
Very good. 咁如果觀眾朋友咧就有任何疑問嘅話咧，就記得打呢個電話，呢個熱線電話咧係415-336-2629 415-336-2629. Thank you so much, Richard and Dr. So. Thank you so much for your time to educate the audience. 咁就即係正如咧就係呢個 Dr. So 同埋 Richard 所提嘅，其實咧就乙肝咧當然咧到如果你係即係檢查出嚟咧係呈陽性嘅話咧，就其實食藥咧就已經可以控制住，就令到咧就唔會病變咧就成為呢個肝硬化或者肝癌嘅，因為咧就如果唔及時食藥嘅 嘅話咧，就可能遲啲咧就會即係病變咁。但好多時當一個人發現唔妥嘅時候咧，就可能已經係末期㗎啦。所以記得咧，就其實依家咧呢個乙肝咧係絕對有得醫治嘅。咁至緊要咧就同你家庭醫生做一次檢查。咁如果檢查出嚟陽性咧，就食藥就可以解決問題㗎啦。咁今日我哋名人會客廳呢個慶祝亞裔傳統月專輯時間到咗，多謝大家嘅收睇，我哋下一次再見，拜拜。